welcome to my house. Huh?
Oh boy.
Sit down, make yourself comfortable, okay? Feel free anywhere, anywhere you like in this, just feel free. Okay, you can share anywhere with me. Huh? Just make yourself comfortable.
Bros, thank you very much. But nothing say you fit deceive me the way you deceive other girls. It not go work. It not go work with me.
Franca, ever since I came into this house, ever since I built this house, I have not brought a woman into this house.
If I hear,
I
beg, don't matter waiting.
But that's the truth.
The other day when I come, I came to refund the money you used to bill my girls from police station. How many girls did this house? I shall say 2 sit down here. 1 sit down there. 3 day there. Then maybe 5 day your bedroom upstairs. That was why you sent your sister to come and collect the money. Why you not come collect the money yourself? Because you were busy shining Congo now. You never bring her come here if I hear.
Franca, are you trying to tell me that my sister collected the money back from you? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
45,000 may she come. That was what I gave her. Anyway, that one on a family problem. If your mind they tell you say you go shine my Congo, na lie. You no go smell and talk more of China. So it better say you allow me stay here as your house girl. Make I jejely dey collect salary from you. No, no get problem. But you see Congo, forget them. You no go work.
Franca, see, I don't know this Congo or whatever, shining of Congo, whatever you call it. I am not here because I want to shine your Congo. No. I already have about six boys serving me, 6 to 8 boys. Okay, and I have a cook that cooks for me. Except my sister is around, then my sister can cook. You see, I truly love you, Franca. Okay, so I cannot make you my housemaid. No, I can't. See, I want you to stay. It's not about shining of Congo. I don't do that. In fact, let me call my sister and find out why she collected that money from you. Come here, let me get my phone.
I don't die. See this one, it is say get brain. Guy man! You won't guy your fellow guy man, you dey craze. So for your mind now, you dey sharp. Yet you no fit play ordinary thing odd. Sure game. There go.
Listen, sure man. Combo, I suggest we play Baka, straight winning against Celta Vigo. That is 1.19 odd.
I beg, drop that one. No, talk that one again. What do you want to talk? 1.19 odd is too small. I prefer we play 2.5. That one a short game.
Two of you listen. Forget about Barcelona. The day you play Barcelona to score 3 goals, that is the day their strikers become defenders. I suggest we go to China and play Guangzhou United.
No, China. Shema, can I leave that? Don't ever talk China. China here. Instead of China, let's go to Turkey. Yes. We play clubs like Kasipasa, Kashipa Puak, or Puel Nikosa. All those ones. We make money.
Ose, take it easy. Take it easy.
Make I see what you do. Let me see what you have written, sir.
Shaman, listen to me. I'm afraid of match fixing. I'm afraid of it. I am suggesting that we go to countries like Iran, Finland, Estonia. At least we'll be short of 2.5.
Iran.
Look, Kumbo, I don't even understand how you reason at times. All these countries you have just mentioned, how many clubs do you know from those countries? Mention them.
You want me to name them? You want me to name them? I am not to count them.
Convince us. Convince us.
I said they count now.
Name.
Al-Hali Doha.
1.
Trato Sazi. Komburi FC.
3.
Inter Toku. Inter Baku. Kokonem.
5.
All these are big. Look at them.
Wait. 5 clubs. Only 5 clubs. Can 5 clubs give us 5 odds? Can it? Abeg, sit down.
It is okay, it is okay, it is okay, it is okay. We should not even be worrying ourselves about this. I think what we should be bothered about now should not even be about these clubs. Yes, we should be thinking about how to raise the money to play the game after the forecast. Combo.
You say make I talk?
After Mumusa.
No, wetin you want make I talk?
Talk now, after Mumusa.
Wetin I go talk? You no go talk?
No, we don't have to. We have to put heads together. We need to resolve it. How to get money and play the game.
I think make we come out here first. Make we come out here.
We should leave here first.
Combo. Since she answered you the first time, I swear, she will answer you again. It's sure banker, it will happen. Just go in.
Make I go in.
My man, go in.
Also, you know what?
Waiting.
It's now I know that you have medulla oblongata problem.
Why are you trying to insult me?
So what you're trying to say is now, I'm now a specialist in begging money. That is what you are saying.
I know.
No, are you people not a human being?
No.
Why not go there and beg her?
No.
You're asking me to go because I'm a specialist in begging money.
No. Combo, you are getting it wrong.
No, you go.
No, Combo, relax. You are getting it wrong. All of us are professional beggars. No dispute about that.
Which means if I combo odd, I go combo money. If I combo odd, I go combo money.
It is because you are Combo. Yeah, my man.
See, you know, say now all of us be beggars, professional beggars for that matter. But waiting outside, they try to talk, be say, devil where you sabi is better than the angel you don't know.
Sure.
Since you have gone there before and she gave you money, it will be easier for her to give you money.
No. What did you just say? The devil you know. So you are not calling me devil? Me, Combo?
No,
Me, Combo, you the call devil.
Okay.
So I am now the devil that Franca knows. And two of you are the angels. Right one, isn't it? Now listen good. I swear. Instead of me to go to heaven, where the angels look like the two of you, I better go to hell. I better go to hellfire and chill with the angel of darkness. What are you talking?
All right. Okay.
Calling me devil.
It's very well. Oh, you do, Combo. You be angel. We
Devil.
will be devil.
Go
inside and collect that thing. I beg. Time is going now.
Don't worry.
Please.
I will go. But on one condition.
Condition again?
On one condition.
Okay, what's the condition?
That I will take the lion's share of the winning ticket.
No, I don't agree. No, Combo, no.
No. Okay, go.
Okay, all right. It's okay. All right. You will take the lion's share and the tiger chair.
Huh?
As a matter of fact, even the tiger table, collect.
What brought tiger inside the lion again? No, I don't like this statement. Remove that tiger.
Okay,
it's only the lion's share.
Okay, go. Go. We are waiting here for you.
Just wait.
Don't worry. Yes.
Just tell her. Wait.
Don't talk too much. What's wrong with you? You will get another and come back. Combo! Combo, wait! Hey, wait! Combo! Hey, Combo, wait now! Hey! Combo! Wait! Combo, wait now! Combo, I don't tire. I'm tired. Combo! Combo, wait! Hey! Combo!
Tombo, what was pursuing you? Hey?
What happened?
God save me.
Eh? What happened?
Today would have been my final burial.
God forbid. What happened now?
Franca has sold her shop to one of her apprentices.
Eh?
If you see the kind of weapon this girl almost used on me now, hey, my obituary would have been everywhere. Hey.
God forbid.
Ah! So, Combo, you mean one tiny, chickeny, small girl hold weapon and you ran away and I stupidly followed you? Oh, Ose, you are stupid. I know it, but you are more stupid than me. Yes!
Ose, you are talking to me this way.
You are more stupid.
Ose, me.
Just run away from a small girl.
Combo, stop this thing. Look at your legs. These matured legs. That you start to run away from one tiny girl simply because she carried weapon. Eh?
Are you too sure, man?
Yes?
You are talking. Go and try. Is it the size of the girl that matters, or the size of the weapons in her hand?
The size of the girl matters. Since you say it's small, then she has no strength. With that strength, the weapon will do nothing.
But wait, Showman. What do we do now? Eh?
Rubbish.
Combo.
Rubbish.
It is not rubbish now. What do we do? Wait. Wait now.
Wait now!
Sir? Okay, sir.
So you're welcome, Miss Marina. Make yourself comfortable. Sit down.
Thank you.
So what do I offer you?
I'm okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
I traveled to the village to bring back Franca as you requested.
Okay.
But it was unfortunate she got involved in robbery incidents and was almost lynched in the village.
So, are you serious?
Hey, Franca would not cease from bringing shame upon our home. Franca. Hey.
So how are we going to help her? How do we help her?
You are still talking of help, sir. The police are carrying out investigation on how to capture her gang members.
It's a lie.
And we arrest anybody trying to help her.
So where is she right now?
Hey, my sister.
Where is she?
They took her away when she was almost dead.
They took her away.
Hey, Franca.
They took her away.
They took her away, sir.
Please, when did all this happen? When? How did it happen?
Hey, just yesterday in my village. Hey.
Oh. Why? Why? Why would she be doing all this? Why? Oh God. Why? Oh God. I don't know.
Hey. Don't worry. We are used to her criminal lifestyle in the village.
I know, but why?
Don't worry. It's fine. I'm here. I can take care of you.
This place you're touching. but why is she a thief?
See, just accept me. Because I'm not sure she's going to survive it.
So where is she now?
That's what you're talking about.
I know. But she's a thief. stop crying, okay? Come on, stop crying, stop crying.
I just don't understand.
It's okay, stop crying.
I don't understand. Why are people so wicked? Why?
Franca, that is life for you. And that is life for you.
How is it even possible? How can I be in the village and in the city at the same time? Chai, this girl is wicked. Very wicked. No wonder she chased me. She chased me out of her house.
And that is to show that the devil has lost his case on you. They've lost their case. You don't need to just stop crying. Huh? Stop crying. Everything will be fine. Oh? It's okay. Franca, take this money. Yeah, take this money. I want you to go out for shopping today. I would have loved to go with you, but my containers are arriving this morning. So I must be there. Huh? Just take it and buy beautiful clothes for yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
It's okay, it's okay. Everything will be fine. Oh? Stop crying. Alright? Okay, I have to go now. Do and make sure you go to the market. Let me just get dressed.
Say no to gambling is a dangerous addiction. Gambling is dangerous. Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go. Gambling is dangerous. Over 1.5, 2.5, this one are sure. Gambling is dangerous.
Olaji, I beg you in the name of God, do this for me. See, if you do it for me, I will forever be grateful to you. Please. Franca.
Well, in as much as what you're asking is difficult, it is not impossible. I will accept you here as a worker. But you must understand something, which is, I get them before, no be property. You know how I used to respect you when I was under you? You must accord me the same respect if I accept you in my shop.
That one is not a problem. I will give you all the respect that you want. All I need is the salary so that I can start up as soon as possible. Oh?
Okay, there's no problem. First of all, you have to give me back the apprenticeship money I paid you.
That one is not a... in fact, I have the money here. I will refund. Ne. Charo.
Are you sure it's complete? Another thing you must understand is, first come, first serve. Uchechi and Favor, they were here earlier today for the same purpose. Meaning, they are now your seniors.
No problem. No objection at all.
Good. So, when do you intend to start?
I can start now if you want.
I am sure you have not forgotten the rules of this shop. Rule number 1, all workers must be in their uniforms.
Hi. But I am not an apprentice now.
Like I said earlier, I get them before, no be.
Property. Aye. See what Naija bet don't do me. Oh! see what Naija bet has turned me to.
No to gambling is a dangerous addiction. Gambling is dangerous.
No problem.
Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go go. Gambling is dangerous.
Yes?
My name is Combo. This one is Ose.
Ose.
This one is Shoman, aka Shobanka.
Yes, yes.
So how may I help you?
My sister, we are your sister's friends.
Ose with the grace, so. With the grace. My sister, actually, we are not your sister's friends. We are her best friends.
Best friends, yes, friends. Best friends.
I still haven't understood what you are talking about.
Okay. We are Franca's best friends.
Yes.
And have come to give her Shobanka.
Yes.
Thank God us.
Yes.
She's a show girl.
Hey! Franca, what would I see for you in this house? All because I brought you to the city to live a better life. Franca, why? Eh? Just imagine this condemned old cargoes young girl is associating with. Men who are 10 meters away from their grave.
Combo, is she referring to you?
Are you insane? How can she refer to me? She's referring to someone.
Combo, told her fire you the River Naija dry.
Fire you the first one.
Is that by age?
Fire you the second one.
Is that by age?
Fire you the third one.
Judging by your ugliness, you will be the first.
Already you are a walking corpse. Can you imagine how you look? You are a walking corpse.
Shut up.
Oh, yeah, I give you.
My sister, please don't be offended. Which of us are you really talking about?
It's all right. Let me call Franca to explain.
Thank you. Amalija. Now, why don't you respect yourself when you come to somebody's house?
Oh.
Eh?
Are you talking to?
Yes.
You should talk to Shaman.
Fools! Idiots! Wait though. What if Jamike asks me to show him the items I bought from the shopping? What will I do? Chai! Should I tell him that I gave the money to my former apprentice so I can start working in her shop? No, he will not believe me. What do I do? Bam! Ejimia, I will double the remaining one. And I know who to go to. In fact, I know where to get sure one. In fact, you are already neat. And this place is already clean. Let me go and handle my business, people. I need to double that money. And I hope Combo will do something.
Franca, right 1752. FC Toronto versus Dallas. X2, win or draw.
Now, right Panathinaikos versus Skandabukos. Home, straight win.
Shere.
Straight win.
Wait. What do you mean? Which one be a kind straight win for him? What? Not what we agreed before. We agreed to protect our game.
Exactly.
To double chance our game.
You know hear the name when I call.
Which kind of name?
Panathinaikos. Versus Skandabukos. Panathinaikos. Then go beat Skandabukos. Beat them. They not beat them, they go beat them 10-0. Straight winning. Beat them flawless.
They go take hand, carry ball, put inside net.
Sure. See, these people there for top of the table now. Skandabukos there for they go relegation though. Bottom line.
Yeah.
I beg, forget. Carry and straight winning. Now sure banker, they don't win. Leave them. Leave them as a deal like that.
Why? See, make una take a miss you. Make we concentrate well on this 10 odd. You know, say if we win this match, now 5,000 fish come, then go enter on a pocket too. So make una just be very careful to avoid one don't cut up. See, if one cut this game, I go cut person.
No. We are going to maintain this 10 odd.
I know one story, but make we double chance our game as we agree from beginning.
Exactly.
Because I don't want anything we go disturb this 10 odd at all. You hear me? Franga, I better write for me. 1381. Augsburg versus Mönchengladbach. X2. Yes.
Never.
Never.
No. No, now. Maybe we agreed that we are not going to play any club from the popular countries. Look, choose another club. You just go to the country.
It's okay.
Choose another one.
It's all right. No matter.
Another one.
I don't hear now. I go club. I go country now. Where they not sabi. Oh yeah. Start. Finland. I'm going to Finland now.
Okay.
Oh yeah, write for me. Oh yeah, right. 1509.
Wait.
Okay.
Is that better or not okay?
The Bible, they mess up.
1509. Intertoku versus Soduva Marijampol 1X. That game is sure die. That game sure die. Yes. Intertoku versus Soduva Marijampol. That game sure.
You see,
This one are correct. Now correct winning.
No.
Sure banker.
No go fit try am.
Nothing will ever cut this game.
Is sure banker. I can assure you. No winch fit cut this ticket. It's not possible.
Even with Joseph, not going to reach me again.
I will tell you now. See am now. Forget. Now, just go home. Relax. Sleep. Close your 2 eyes. You are now a potential owner of 700,000 naira from NairaBet.
Please you come.
I got that.
Please you come. At once.
And you two, plus combo, are potential owners of 5,000. If you come, once you enter.
I trust you. I trust you. That didn't enter. I trust you. But please, can we follow you to your house?
Show my Chris.
Why are you behaving like crayfish?
Follow her to her house. No, don't be annoyed. What he means is that in case of emergency, and we have sure banker, we can follow you to your house and then know where you live, so we'll give it to you.
That one is not a problem. I can take you to my house. But you cannot come without first informing me.
Yeah, no problem.
Did you hear that? That warning, that warning should go to combo. Because Congo is the only man that will always sniff into people's affairs. He will battle on you without notice. Go and tell Combo, in fact, call him here. Combo! Come here with his own ear. Combo! Combo! Hold this ticket very well.
Someone, what is it?
Lose Chelsea and Liverpool. Go, go. It's dangerous. Over 1.5, 2.5. This one can show all. Gambling is dangerous. Oh, gambling has ruined life. Gambling is dangerous.
See house.
Say no to gambling.
Where do you think Where do you think Come on, off your shoes. Hey, do you think this place looks like our mushroom bus quarters?
Must you shout? Don't have public manners.
Oh, you shut up. You are the person without public manners for attempting to wear this your contempt shoe inside this palace. Does this place look like Nigerian Actors office?
My friend, remove your shoes. What's this?
Put them there.
No, now put it here.
What is your problem?
Put it there. Why?
Be very careful.
No,
If that here.
What is your problem? What should my own be at the back?
Let it be there. What's your
What should my own be at the back?
Let it be there.
Let you remain. Let's go.
Hey, stop there. Hey. Come inside. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay.
Where are your shoes?
The shoes. They decided to respect themselves outside there, so they are there resting.
No. You can actually come in with your shoes now.
Franca, as a matter of fact, we always enjoy walking on our bare feet.
Yes, he's right.
Yes.
Oh, just come.
Oh, yeah. Where do you think you're going to? Where do you think you know? Do you know anybody here?
What's your problem? What's your problem? Is this not your chance door? Mugu, or you think I'm like you who does not know the difference a trans door and backyard?
I can see this your cap is your problem.
Yes, you need to leave him alone.
Why not allow the person that brought us here to lead up the way?
In fact, let me.
Listen to me. Sometimes I do think maybe you have Ebola in your brain.
God, I fire you.
Hey, you want to go to prison? You want to fight in a big man's house? You go to prison.
Nwayoli, it's okay. There's no need to quarrel now. I only brought you people here so that you can see my house and then go.
Oh. Do you see what you caused? Do you see it?
She said we should go.
Am I the one? Were you not the one that was
She said we should go.
Now make me go.
Okay, don't quarrel. I did not say you should go. In fact, no problem. Just come inside with me. Come.
Okay.
No shortcut to success, walker. The world is not a bed of roses. Hard work pays, everybody work hard. If you work hard, God will bless you.
See money at work.
Hi.
Hey, this house is beautiful. Oh. Hi. Hey. Sorry.
Shoma. Oh boy. Who knows whether the owner of this house got his money from Naija Bet?
Combo. You know what in your eyes.
What is your problem?
Can't you see that this house is bigger than Naija Bet money? Do you know how many millions it costs to build this kind of a mansion.
Sure, man, don't say that. Don't say that. Naija bet money can, in fact, there is no amount of money that Naija bet cannot give to you.
Tell him.
Yes. Yes, look, listen. If you combo 10 correct calls with 1,000 naira, you're winning. You're winning. It will give you times to this house. I swear.
Also, you're right. Listen to me. I heard somebody in Lagos combo 10 big odds and stake 1,000 naira. He won 50 million naira.
Ah, combo. Hey.
What is it?
Hey, combo. Combo. You mess in the house, frog in the river died. Common radio, you don't have. Newspaper, you don't read. Even television, you don't listen to. Antenna on your head, you don't have. Yet, you carry news more than satellite television. When did you hear that somebody in Lagos won 50 million naira from Naija bet?
Showman, you have started. Did I force you people to believe me?
But you don't have to tell us such
unbelievable lies. If you know this, be better person.
Shut up!
I forgot.
Shut up! You cannot cause anything. Don't cause anybody. Your name is not Combo.
If I beg. Just get up. The owner of the house is here. Go, get up.
Is he a soldier?
No.
Is he a police?
No.
Wait first. Is he a kidnapper?
Maybe. Because I don't know him well.
Where are we going to hide?
Come, let me hide. Come, just follow me. Come now. Oh.
Come with it.
Welcome. Welcome. How was work today?
Fine. And how was it?
It was fine. No problem. Let me carry the bag for you.
What's going on there?
Hi.
Good evening, sir. Welcome, sir. God bless you, sir.
Franca. And what are these things doing in my house?
Sir, Oga, we are living things.
Yes.
We are living things.
Yes.
And we are looking for work.
Shh, shut up. Which can work? You decorate? Sorry, sir. We are looking for jobs, sir. Any kind of job, sir.
Job?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any kind of job?
Yes, sir.
In my house?
Yes,
sir.
Okay, you get a job in the police cell.
Huh? Don't worry.
No, please.
What are you doing here?
They actually came here looking for a job. So I asked them to come inside and wait for you. Maybe you can help them the same way you helped me. Please, just look at them. They are old men.
Yes, sir. We are old men.
Can you imagine? Hi. Frank, I don't think that old men like this are spies for armed robbers.
No, sir. We are different kind of old men, sir. We only combo. Oh, sorry. We only combo games. We don't engage into criminal activities.
Yes, sir. Sure, banker.
Yes.
We rather single correct score instead of carrying gun.
Correct score.
Yes, sir.
See you, Combo. It's because of your strong face. That is why our guy is suspecting.
Thunder fire you. My face and this face, which one is stronger?
God punish you.
Punish you too. What is your problem?
Okay, George, who?
I should judge.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Better not happen again. And what are you still doing here?
Nothing, sir.
And you're still here?
Yes, sir.
Doing what?
Nothing, sir.
You're still here?
Yes, sir.
See the road now.
Yes, sir.
You're still walking like this?
Yes, sir.
Leave my house.
Yes, sir.
Leave my house now.
Yes, sir.
Your friends?
They came to look for work.
Work?
Why is he not picking my calls? Why is Jamike proving so difficult? I love him so much and will be the happiest woman on earth if I can get married to him. What else have I not done? How else have I not expressed my affection to him? Why is he so obsessed with Franca? Why?
The world is not a bed of roses, oh. Hard work pays, everybody work hard. If you work hard, God will bless your hard work. If you lazy, he got you at the shortcut. Work hard, sister.
Take the phone now. At least know why she's calling.
There's nothing new she's going to say. She will only condemn you. Okay, when she's tired, she'll stop calling. Alright?
Honestly, I don't like what is happening to Martina. Because I know she had good intentions for inviting me to the city.
Franca, can we just change the topic and discuss about something else? So tell me, how was your shopping today?
Auntie Macmillan 9. The menu one.
I don't understand.
Just leave my matter. Just wait until make everything correct tomorrow. I will surprise you.
Okay, which auntie are you talking about? And what is your auntie or the auntie marking?
You know that time when you did primary school, your phone write test and your auntie for class go mark am. So I use your money to write test today. Auntie Naija don't mark 9, remaining 1. You see that one? Sure, babe. Sure game. You know, once you click, I hammer. I go surprise you.
Say no to gambling is a dangerous addiction. Gambling is dangerous. Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go go. Gambling is dangerous.
What are you looking?
Over 1.5, 2.5, this one are sure. Gambling is dangerous.
Yes, baby, please, make sure you buy me chicken. Yes, my love. Yes. Work is fine. Yes, everything is going on well. Okay. Where?
Hard work pays, everybody work hard. If you work hard,
that's why I love you, baby. Love you. Of course. Baby, please, I will call you back. I will call you back. I'll call you back.
70,000 fishing.
Shut up!
Thank God!
I said shut up! Have you forgotten rule number 5? You must not do any other business aside this tailoring work. I have warned you before and I hate repeating myself. I don't want this Naija nonsense in my shop.
Madam, I'm sorry. Don't be angry, eh? It's just that, you see this ticket? This ticket is a running ticket. And they just played the last game now and he entered.
I said shut up. Shut up and concentrate on your work now.
The truth is that there's no way I'm going to concentrate here. Let me quickly rush and cash out before somebody's property becomes another person's own. Franca, if you step out of my shop, I will deduct it from your salary. Yes. Minus that. Minus that. Minus that. Okay. There's no problem. Useless thing. Naija bet every time. Concentrate on your job.
Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go.
Tonto is here. Una too much. Leave, una too much. Una brain na something else. See, combo. This one, your combo.
No, maybe the main combo. You know say they combine well, huh?
No, you combine this one well. Now make I fulfill what I promised you now.
I trust you.
Oh yeah, combo. This one like you.
Hey, I trust you now.
Ose.
Oh, okay, Ose. I think
if I call your name, you pay.
Present ma.
Hey. You see this one now talking of appreciation for the short game one forecast for me. The thing work well. So you know say if you work, you chop. What is so?
Franca. God go bless you. God go bless you. God go bless you. In fact, God go bless you past all of us.
Amen. Amen. If he bless me, I go still bless him.
Amen. Franca, we want to say thank you. Because at least now we can pay our house rent. And feel free to go home at any time. Even sleep. Yes.
Even sleep.
This calls for celebration.
Of course.
Shoma. Bigger.
We didn't say make you dance. Go and bring it.
Hey.
So, wow, where is Franca?
Oga, she left very early in the morning in her school uniform.
Her school uniform?
Okay, she's there.
Hey! Finally.
Franca, I was just asking of you a few minutes ago. And where are you coming from with your uniform?
See, Auntie Naija bet finally marked my ticket 10/10. So I had to quickly rush to their post. Before they go shoot bed, and Mama go fly. Last, Naija bet has paid me my money. 57,000 should come. Jesus!
Franca, so are you trying to tell me that you left this house just to rush down to Naija bed shop to get your money?
No. First of all, I went to work.
Okay.
It was while I was working. And my ticket shine green. So I had to quickly take off to collect my money. But the only bad thing is that my madam gave me 1 day suspension. Just 1 day suspension also is just like holiday, no problem at all. But now that Naija Bet has finally paid me, it is bye-bye to sports betting for me. I don't do again.
Good, that's exactly what I want to hear. You see, playing this sporting bet is like chasing shadows. Okay, they're only preying on your unrealistic appetite. The more you lose, the more you play so you want to gain more, and the more you keep losing.
You get them. You know book, not true. And that is why I am saying game over.
Good.
At this point in time.
Good, that's good. So this uniform you're wearing, is it not your former apprentice uniform?
Bonam na Naija Bet Papa. Just bring that side. Bonam.
Obadiah, clean the car, okay? Going out now. Franca, this is what I feel about you. You see, Franca, my feeling has no bounds. I truly love you. Okay, I mean, ever since I met you, that was love at first sight. My body and my soul still cannot place itself. I still feel that special day, that very special day. Franca, the feelings I have for you, even words cannot explain it.
You see him? You see him? Now you're attempting to shine my Congo, no be so? Eh? You're attempting to... I beg you. The first day that I came here, I begged you. I asked you, let me become your house girl and collect salary, jejely, so we no go get problem. Now see. Eh? But, you get waiting with the baffle me, sef. I won't know. Me from head to toe. What's there special about me? Eh? What is so special about me that you want to bear milk by all means? What? Because as I look myself, I no see her.
Franca, I truly love you. I truly have feelings for you.
Waiting.
Franca, please, I want you to marry me.
Hey, see, ants. Wait, so for your mind now, this now the password will go unlock my Congo. Maybe so. So, you think say this password go unlock my Congo? Sorry to disappoint you. It no go work. You dey hear me so? I'm not gonna fit give you my Congo. Not after I've kept this for 25 years. It will not work. Leave that thing. This kind of thing, no dey move me. Leave am. No dey move me.
Franca, please marry me. Please, I love you.
You are serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Please just say yes and marry me. Forget about the Congo. We can work Congo out later. Just marry me without the Congo for now.
Miss Ola, good morning.
What are you doing in my shop this morning?
Miss Ola, it was only 1 day suspension that you gave me now. And that was yesterday.
I gave you 1 day suspension. Your suspension is today.
Hi. Please now, don't be angry. I've repented. I'm sorry about everything. Inugo, huh?
I should not be angry. I should not be angry. I have warned you to stop coming late. I have warned you. Stop coming late. Because you come late again. How many times have I warned you? You come late. You come late. For coming to work today against my declaration, I will give you 6 strokes of the cane. Yes, and after which you go to the backyard and clear all the dirt there before going back home. Open Amia on your knees. I said get down. Fast. Come up here. Come close. Fast. 1. I said fast. You don't need to remind me. Come on, open your hand. Fast! If you make me step down from this place, I will pieces your body. You are very stupid. Come on, give me the other hand. The same hand. Fast. You're wasting my time. The same hand.
Over 1.5, 2.5, this one I sure all gambling is dangerous.
Franca.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine. How was your night?
Fine. And yours?
Fine. You're already on your way out?
Yes, I'm ready for work.
Won't you eat before leaving?
No. I usually wait on the Lord every Wednesday.
Oh.
Meanwhile, I want you to do something for me. I have 380,000 naira here, and I want you to pay it into my account. I'll forward you my account details later, all right? So, all right?
Yeah.
Yes, my bank.
In your account?
In my own account, all right?
Okay.
So I'll send you the account details later, all right? Come on.
Say no to gambling is a dangerous addiction. Gambling is dangerous. Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go. Gambling is dangerous. Over 1.5, 2.5, this one are sure. Gambling is dangerous. Oh, gambling has ruined life. Gambling is dangerous.
Hello, Miss Martina.
How are you, Neka?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm not very fine.
Is everything okay?
Are you busy now?
Yeah, but not at all. We can talk.
Neka, your brother has been proving difficult for me. I've done everything I could to make him love me, but he's so headstrong.
Is that all?
Neka, I'm dying here.
You just have to relax, okay? Just be good. I know what to do. Don't worry yourself. All right?
Thank you. I'll forever appreciate.
You're welcome. All right. Take care. All right. Bye. Jamike.
Oh, Martina, I no longer appreciate the way you call my phone. You know I have someone else, and you know who the person is. So please, stop calling my phone. Please.
Jamike, I know what I'm feeling. And I'm sure no other woman will love you like I do.
You see this feeling you have for me? Transfer that same feeling to someone else and not me. Okay? Please. I don't appreciate it. Transfer it to someone else. My heart is occupied.
Is that why you called me here?
Exactly. Simple. Goodbye. And thank you very much for coming.
The world is not a bed of roses. Hard work.
What's be this now?
Hey! She's after it.
Hey,
can you see this side of the pitch? Can you see? Oh, Antonio, Martial, all in his own strength.
What's be this now?
United.
See, Chelsea was supposed to be short game. Short game.
And Jose Mourinho knows the importance of this win.
They beat 3-0. For first half, Hey! Chelsea, why now? Hey! Wait, 3-0 plus one red card. It's nearly 5-0 now. Hey!
Franca.
Chelsea, don't cut them. Chelsea, don't cut them. Oh, Chelsea, don't cut them. Hey! Chelsea, why now? Hey! Wait, 3-0 plus one red card. It's nearly 5-0 now. Aye!
Franca.
Chelsea, don't cut him. Chelsea, don't cut him. Oh, Chelsea, don't cut him.
Stop shouting.
I beg, leave me.
Excuse me, Franca, stop shouting. Something must be wrong with this channel.
Hi.
Don't another channel. Let's watch this match.
Oh.
Don't another channel, please.
Hey. Fire, oh. Fire is burning my kidney. Hey, fire is burning my kidney inside my body. Eh? Chelsea, I beg, do something. Jamike's money, oh. Jamike's money plus my money, oh. All of them, they burn fire, oh.
This thing is match fixing.
Hi.
I swear it's match fixing. It's impossible. Simple,
Chelsea,
ordinary, common, but not. Can you imagine?
Now, what be this?
Shoma, you pass it. I said don't put Chelsea. Now you advise that we should put Chelsea in all the.
They don't go.
Senior Thunder, fire you flat there. Was it not Kobo who said we should boost the odds?
Aeroplane jam you there.
Hey.
Aeroplane jam you.
Idiot.
Am I in the house and who's playing nonsense? Am I a Murata who don't know what is doing there? Eh? Why are you blaming? Don't come and make it no.
Chelsea, I beg.
Blame Hazard and Murata and the
Chelsea,
look at this black lizard. Black lizard.
Am I the Hazard playing nonsense then? Am I the Murata who don't know what to do? Why should you blame me?
Eh?
Rather blame the referee and those players.
Look at my FAW.
Welcome, sir. And you people are still here. Sir? You're still here?
Yes, sir.
Will you leave this house now before I pounce on you? Leave my house now!
Yes, sir.
I said now!
Yes, sir. What?
Leave my house!
Yes, sir.
Everybody work hard. If you work hard, God will bless your hard work. If you're lazy, he got you at the short skirt. Work hard, sister.
And you, Franca, why haven't I received an alert? Why haven't I seen my money?
You see, that person that sang, I don't get alert, God win. You know, arrange them well. I swear. Because somebody have to win something before that somebody get alert.
I don't understand what you're talking about. All I'm asking is, where is my money? So I don't know, I don't get alert. I don't know where it's coming from. Where is my money?
As I was going, I now got a message that my mother had an accident in the village. So I can't think how I won't do am. Then my mind can't tell me say, as a sharp babe, say make I just go double the money. If I double it, I will send part of it to my mother for her treatment, and I will jejely go and put your own part in your account, in your bank for you. But I can't forget, say, today na my umunna meeting. And they can't remember my ticket for their meeting. Even I say my ticket na the agenda.
Frank, I don't understand Umona, no Mona. I don't understand. All I'm asking is, why haven't I received an alert? Where is my money? That's all I'm asking.
2 odd, cut them.
2 what?
2 odd. But it wasn't my fault, though. Eh? I did not know that Hazard, Morata, and Pedro all had injuries. I did not know. And I went to play Chelsea. Straight winning. 9 foodies tickets. And they cut them.
My money, they cut them.
Say no to gambling is a dangerous addiction.
Out of the 120, I try.
Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go.
No verse. Jamike, food is ready. Come and eat. I've already set the dining. Please now, you can't continue like this. I'm begging you. Just come and eat first. Please, come and eat. I'm really sorry for what I did. And I promise you, I will never do it again. Eh? I know what I did was wrong. That's why I've been asking you to forgive me. So please, just come and eat. Jamike, come and eat. You see that your money, I will pay you back. I'll pay you back. It cannot go like that. But you see, gambling, never. I will never gamble again. I swear to God. If I gamble again, let me die. See as I use my life to promise you. That one will show you that nothing will make me to gamble again in this life. Listen, if you ever see anybody who look like me where they gamble, I'm my ghost because I know fit. If na my eye go make me gamble, I go blind myself. I go cut the eye through away. If na my hand go make me gamble, I go not cut them. What did they do now? If na my man no talk that one. But I promise you, I no go gamble again. Please now, just come and eat. Just come.
Say no to gambling is a dangerous addiction.
This guy the best do through.
It's dangerous.
Hi, but Franca, you too,
Barca
you mess
go
up.
win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go. Gambling is dangerous.
Franca,
over
you no go play game
1.5, 2.5, this one na sure. Gambling is dangerous. Oh, gambling has ruined life. Gambling is dangerous.
What's going on? You're sounding so serious on phone.
See, I so much love this girl, okay? But you see this Naija birth of a thing, it runs in her blood. Don't you understand?
This is serious. I mean, what is she doing about it? Is she talking about quitting or not?
She's so addicted to this thing. When she says no, that means yes. I'm telling you.
Listen, my friend, you really have to help her. I mean, if you truly love her, you have to help her. Be patient with her.
I have thought everything I could. But she's so adamant about the whole thing.
Love will keep trying until it prevails. Okay? Come on, you need to relax yourself.
Relax what? But you don't understand. You need to see this dead sleep this girl carries.
You love her, right?
I love her, but the sleep, I don't love the sleep.
You have to help her out.
With what?
Love! Yes!
She doesn't love, she only loves odds.
Come on. let's just go somewhere. I mean, you're sounding so urgent of phone. Let's just go get something nice. Trust me.
After you.
Please, help me forecast short game, I beg. Let me give Jamike his money. Please, just help me. Forecast game for me.
How many odds?
Congo, shut up. Don't you allow her to talk?
Wait, no verse. See, this thing is already bringing problem between both of us. I get 2,000 naira. 2,000. So 2,000 she come in my pocket. Just forecast game for me. That's the only thing I want now.
In that case, you don't have problem at all. I have sure game today, direct from my dream. Yes, 520 odds. With 1,000 naira, you stand the chance of winning over 700,000 naira.
Hey! Now you see the talk. You see, money not be the problem. Or just give. It's in my pocket here. Just forecast the game for me. See, I'm
Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go. Gambling is dangerous. Over 1.5, 2.5, this one are sure. Gambling is dangerous. Oh, gambling has ruined life. Gambling is dangerous.
Welcome, sir. Sir, welcome.
Yeah. Hey, come here. Come here.
Sir?
Where's Franca?
Sir, she left not long ago. But I checked everything. I checked everywhere. Everything is intact. She did not steal anything.
Will you just shut up? Did you tell me? Did you tell me when I came back? Did you tell me?
Sir, I thought you asked her to go because she was crying. If you
thought what? Will you just shut up? And that means keep quiet.
Yes, sir.
Keep quiet.
Yes, sir.
So why didn't you call me?
Phone has miscarriage. Sorry, network failure.
Your phone has miscarriage.
Sorry, sir.
Network failure.
Yes, sir.
And you didn't call me.
Yes, sir.
Just shut up. And that means keep quiet.
Yes, sir.
That's how you be turning on your own. Fool, don't open the gate.
Sorry, sir.
Not that my credit for you.
Sir, my credit...
Shut up, I said keep quiet.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
Open the gate.
Franca, you shouldn't have left the house. Huh? That shouldn't make you to pack out of the house. Why?
Jamike, leave matter. I know why you're saying all these things, but don't worry. See, by the time this my ticket enter, hi! Naija bet go vomit all your money and I will pay you times 2. Double.
Franca.
I bet they don't score.
You know, enter.
Hi!
Franca, that is not why I'm here. That is not why I'm here. I just want us to go back home. Huh?
No,
Please.
no. I'm very comfortable with my friends here. They give me better motivation. Yes. Better one.
Yes. We combo her inspiration and double chance her motivation. Then her spirit becomes your game.
Will you just shut up, you old fool? Huh? Will you shut up? Franca, you should understand it. They shouldn't be seeing you associating yourself with these old cargoes.
You mean that?
You don't need them.
I'm not going anywhere without my special forecast advisors. That is the only way your money can come out. So you see these people? I know they go anywhere without them. Anywhere I go, they must come with me.
Hey, it don't enter. It don't enter. Hey, it don't enter.
Okay. Oh yeah. Go check the other one. Hi. Oh, Naija bet una go here. 2.5.
He enter.
Go.
He enter.
1/1.
Enter.
Home win either halves.
Enter.
Yes. Okay. Straight winning.
Enter.
Asian handicap.
Enter.
Okay. 12 and go.
Enter.
Yes. Home to score.
Enter.
Wait, what did happen? Okay. Half time 0.5.
Enter.
Highest scoring half.
Enter.
Win or draw.
Enter.
Under 4.5.
Enter.
Yes. Azamalek. Hey!
Wait, they go. Sit down here.
Azamalek.
Go.
Azamalek Akotoya.
See Azamalek here.
Azamalek Akotoya.
See him, Azamalek.
Hey! Azamalek. Hey! Even the games that I played in Europe, enter. The ones I played in Asia, enter. Even the one I played in Australia, enter. He can't be Azamalek. My own African continent. May come cut my 48 million naira. Hey!
No, you cause him. You see him.
I'm also home base. Oh! Africa, why? Africa, why now? Africa, why you are not loving yourself? Africa, why you not destroy person progress? Why?
Now you be the Africa. You say me to play this Azamalek.
My 48 million Ishikom ticket. Oh, Nai Azamalek cut. 48 million Ishikom is equivalent to one plot of land, one duplex, and one end of discussion. Nai Azamalek, carry cutlass, cut.
You see him,
Azamalek Azamo. Azamalek Azamo. I tell you, now you Kosam. I tell you, say, make we no look Africa. Make we leave Africa. Make we leave that Azamalek say the name no sweet for ear at all. You say make we play him.
I swear.
Akifugo.
I swear, this one I whistle, it pass wish.
Now you be the witch.
Hey! I say make we leave Africa, say their wish strong. Say their wish strong. You see him? Azamalek Azam. Azamalek Azam.
No be small,
Azamalek Azam.
Mother Web versus Kimamok.
Enter.
Apollon Limonson versus Espanyol.
Enter.
Tribal versus Borussia Dortmund.
Enter.
Perugia versus Persepolis.
Enter.
Real Madrid versus Celta Vigo.
No, wait.
Hey! What happened?
Hey!
Now show them be that now.
Hey!
Wait, now show game now.
Hey!
Combo, this one not sure.
Hey! Don't show again for Naija bet again, no! Hey! Can you imagine? Hey! 22 odd beat 1.10 odd. Hey! Please catch me. Please they catch me. Hey!
Can you imagine Real Madrid? Real Madrid don't cut our game. Cut everything with them my body join.
Wait till
a whole lot of 730,000 naira. Can you wish?
Wait till we go play again. Wait till I go play again.
This is for that.
Wait till they be win. We play small odd. He go cut. We play big odd. He go tear to pieces. Wetin we go play again? We play big odd. He go cut. We play small odd. He go tear to pieces. We play win or draw. They go play 12. Wetin again we go play? We no play at all. Our mind no go rest. Wetin again I wan make I do?
People don't came back.
Please they catch me, sir. I don't know.
Oh, gambling is dangerous. Oh, gambling has ruined life. Gambling is dangerous.
Move na plank dead on your leg. See na thunder go fire you for that way you play for there, you dey craze. Move na, you want make I come push you? Hey, where them bring all these boys from come sef? See their stiff legs. Move na, move, you want make I come push you? Move. Good afternoon. You dey raise hand up like say you play something.
So, Mama, let me formally introduce you to the lady I want to get married to, Franca.
How are you, my daughter? Mama, make I just tell you true. I'm not feeling fine. I'm not feeling fine at all. Why? Mom, just see. See the nonsense this referee is blowing here. Just look at. Mama, take your church mind. Look am well. This thing no be penalty. Na penalty na. If you go England, match fixing. You go Europe, match fixing. You go Spain, match fixing. Holland, France, the same match fixing. Now I say, okay, I can't advise myself. Say, make I come leave this people. Make I enter Saudi Arabia. Because I know say that them practice Sharia law. And anybody will mess up there. They go cut a hand one time. Now look at. See what's in this referee they do. See as this referee just stylishly converts this penalty to throw in. And why? Why corruption just full everywhere? Why?
Pia, Jamike.
Hey!
Is this supposed to be a woman or a man squatting in your house?
Mama, no vex. I beg. It's just that what these people are doing here is scattering my head. In fact, it's making me mad. They bust my brain. All my tickets, the other tickets I get, it don't cut. Now only this one remain. And the ordinary 1.5. Now these foolish people, the first goal where they scored 18 minutes ago. Now it's almost full time. No goal. At least when I score now, make I complete my 1.5. Go collect my cool 7.1 million. Then they purposely do am. Why now?
Franca, my mother is here and you need to respect her presence, okay?
Mama, I no respect you. And Naija bet, now them no one respect themselves, so no be me. I beg Jamike, put this thing on. I beg. You want to increase my high blood pressure.
So, Mama, as I was saying,
Hey, please, just stop. Stop it! I am no longer interested in this introduction. It is obvious that you got this thing from a psychiatric dump.
Mama, you too much. You see, Mama understand my mood right now. This is not the time for discussion. Serious thing is happening here. I beg, put this thing on, make I know what's in the happen.
Mama, is that what you meant?
Put the thing on, Mama know what's up. I beg, put them now.
sister. Work hard, brother.
Carry your leg.
Biachoma, what is your problem?
Shift your leg.
What is your problem? Is my leg the floor? Why are you brushing my leg instead of the floor? And then why don't concern him? Wait. So you cannot talk to him. Choma, mind yourself.
The world is not a bed.
What's your problem? Don't try it again. My friend, mind your portion.
If you work hard, God will bless your hard work. If you lazy, He got your
Where's my black shoe?
Oh, I put them at the backyard so that we can mop this place.
Hi. Okay, please, I need someone to help me with it so I don't go late.
Franca, I am not happy each time I see you putting on this uniform. Your fiancé is rich enough to set you up in a very big way. You don't have to repeat class under your own apprentice. It's somehow, boy.
Yes,
You know somehow.
That is true. Yes, so. Franca, yeah, Franca, tell him. This is backwardness. Yes, it's not fair enough.
Listen, as far as Franca is concerned, I cannot do without sewing. It runs in my blood. Or do you want me to die?
No. But all the same, talk to Jamike. He has the money. Let him set you up. We will back you up. We are your follow come charger. We will follow you to anywhere. We will support you. Do anything you want.
Thank you very much. I know. But I can make my own money. And when I save enough, I'll get a new shop for myself. I don't need anybody's help to do that. So please, just get the shoes for me so I don't go late.
Go and get this.
What is Shoman doing? Can't Shoman go and do it? Let me finish this one.
Two of you are bad. Why would any one of you not go and get the shoe?
Already you're standing up. You can get the shoe now.
Am I not older than anyone?
You have to go late. You have to go late. Don't put water there. What you are just clean. If you put water there, I will face you now.
Over my dead body. Over my dead body will I sit down and watch my only son get married to a hopeless gambler? Never. How can you allow that caterpillar of a girl to come and squander all that you have worked out enough in your life within the twinkle of an eye? How?
Mama, you should also consider that I know what I want in a woman. Mama, what I feel for this girl, I have never felt for any woman before. There's something special about this girl. Mama, this girl has a talent. And her talent is of economic importance to me. And I truly love her. That's the truth.
Hi, Jamike. There is a big question mark on this one. Yes! You see that thing you call love? It is simply an arrow fired into your life by your enemies. That girl is an enemy's assignment.
Mama, I feel poverty led her to this bad habit. Mama, I am rich enough to take her out of that bad habit.
Never.
But I just have to do it.
Never. You will do no such thing. My son, you will not do it.
Madam Olachi, I greet you.
Hey, whoa, my customer. I'm sorry. I forgot I asked you to come today.
Anyway, are you not done sewing my clothes?
Just calm down. You'll get it soon. Oh? Franca, leave that thing you're doing. Also, so look for a material and start sewing it.
Madam, I'm almost done with this.
Shut up and do what I asked you to do. Mama, see so. Be fast. Stand up. Ha. Be fast. Be fast. No, don't worry, eh? You get it. And just go. Come back by 2.
I trust you.
There's no problem. Sit down and start sewing. What kind of lazy thing is this one?
I want to urinate because Let me just go.
You want to urinate?
Yeah. Jim.
I told her to come back by 2 to collect this clothes, and you're telling me that you want to urinate.
I finish it before then.
You better be fast. Get out of my face. Get out. Go, 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 go. Make sure you come back fast. Here. Go down. What kind of thing is this? A lazy human being. Just simple clothes. You're telling me you want to urinate. Do your own.
B597.
Quick now.
Showman, be fast enough.
Hey, you get eye?
What do you mean? Be fast enough, please.
Don't disturb me.
You don't type. You dey type? This is your phone too.
Oh.
Where is Franca?
Actually, we are on our way to your shop. Is she not around?
Stupid old fool. What kind of silly question are you asking me? I said, where is Franca?
Did you see
Franca?
Did you see Franca?
No. Did you see her?
No.
I did not see her. No, it was yesterday.
Yesterday. Good question, you cannot answer me. Nonsense.
Thank
where
you.
Where did you go to? I'm asking you. Where is Franca?
We did not see Franca.
What is keeping you in there? Hurry up, there's no time, oh. Hurry up. Please, oh. Hurry up. Come and follow me to where you rightly belong. Wait a minute. So if Nneka had not told me about this, this is how I would have lost my son to that shameless gambler. Hi! God forbid. God forbid. Eh? Matilda, come out and let's go. Whatever that is remaining, we'll come and pack it later. With a bus. We'll come back with a bus and take it. Are you hearing me? What nonsense. What nonsense. Hi! How can someone with his eyes wide open, will now leave a good road and start following a bad road that leads to nowhere? Ha! Bam, 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 bam. There is something definitely wrong with him. Yes, something is wrong with that boy. Hi! He left a reputable working class lady, a beautiful girl, made from heaven, that is loving him with all her heart, chasing a chronic gambler. Hi! No, something is wrong with this, my son. Hi! Chasing a girl who might have used her womb to bet on Arsenal versus Barcelona. Hi! Chineke. No, something is wrong with this boy. Let's leave this place. Let's go. Anything you do is okay by me.
No problem, Mama.
Let us start going.
Okay.
The remaining things, we'll come and pick them with the bus. Are you hearing me?
Franca. So, how much is on the list? The one you want to take to the market?
32,000.
32,000. Okay. Right. You have 40,000 naira here in case you get to the market and you know you didn't cross-check well and you needed to buy any other thing. You can buy from there. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Be fast about it.
Hey. Come. Follow. I have arrived though. Dikeh, this is your wife.
I don't understand.
As for you, Franca, or whatever you call yourself, this is the legitimate daughter-in-law that I have brought for myself. Not you, a chronic gambler.
Mama, what is the meaning of this? I don't understand. What is the meaning of this?
Jamike, how could you? How can you be so heartless to abandon a virtuous woman who loves you so much with all her heart? To cling to this thing? This caterpillar of a girl? Why? Anyway, Nne, follow me. You see this house? You are now the legal landlady of this house. Follow me. Enu. Follow me! Nonsense. Where are you? Let's go. This house belongs to you. Rubbish. Nonsense.
Yeah. Obadai, wetin be this? Where are you coming from? Anoga has been looking for you since.
Madam, God has answered my prayers. See, I've been playing Naija bet for a very, very long time without winning anything. And today, my running ticket just won me 3.9 million naira. See the alert.
Charo, 3.9 guinea.
3.9 million naira. Mili. Let me tell you, I'm even going home to tell Oga that I'm not working again. I've resigned. I don't go home. 3.9 million. 3.9 million.
Jesus.
3.9 million. 3.9 million. Hey!
3.9 million Bishikom. Hey! Hewo, mermieme. Hey! 3 point. Look at it, go ahead. 3.9 million Bishikom. Hey! Are you sure I will not just go and try my luck again? Mba. Chero. 3.9 million Bishikom Kamadu. No. I come on me off, ma.
Chelsea.
See as Chelsea got this my taxi 6,000.
Oh yeah. Arsenal for 1.2.
See, Fulham was winning them all. Up to 89th minute. Winning them all. Up to 89th minute. The next thing they come flash last minute goal. Visual don't kill me. Visual don't kill me. How they will fit score 3 goals in 1 minute?
Madam, now your own you talk so. Now this same Okorobo Chelsea, now you come to my 12,000 naira bet. When I go carry them straight to me. Okorobo like this.
Manager, I beg now. Phone me one system. Make I play VIP. See, this is not just to make me play nonsense.
See now, there's no cash out. All our systems they best. Just chase the
Oga, be fast now. Don't be only you play.
No the game what they for.
Hey, you don't play your safe. Play.
Arsenal. Arsenal, go let's go.
I beg. See, you don't do. Knock me Chelsea, West Ham, and Man City score 2 goals. Bet them 2,000. How much come out? 42,000. No. Bet them. Wait now. Bet them 3,000. I want sharp money. Still knock me Liverpool and Man U 4.5 combos. Make them 2,000. Then 3.
Which one be? Anytime when they come here.
Wait.
Madam, too fast now. Too fast. Anytime when they come here.
That time, big odds. Big odds. 3,000.
Give me my ticket. I don't give her one down. See, I don't give her money.
Give me ticket. No, give me my own ticket. I beg before you go give her.
You play your game now. I go come here.
No, give me my own ticket.
Wait, man.
I mean, like, you play game, like, let's wake up now. Which level?
You don't do here, sis.
You play my game now.
Go sharp your game first now.
Take it down. Which levels now? Ah. That's what the best for Chelsea.
Hey!
What happened to that?
Hey! One game don't spoil my ticket. One game don't cut my ticket. How manage now? How manage? Hey, these people are very wicked. Very wicked. 327,000 watt for just some one month. One game don't spoil.
What do you do? Wait for?
No, I play this one.
You still want to play again?
Okay, thank you.
You finish number 7.
It don't cut.
It don't cut.
So you won't play another one?
Make I just try.
But what's in your Chelsea? What's in Chelsea?
Mama, no, you will not force me. You will not force me to get married to a liar. This liar, a girl that can blackmail her best friend. Mama, no. I can't get married to a liar. Never.
You lie. Jamike, you lie. Your father did not marry a gambler. That was why he was able to bring you up properly. You will marry a virtuous woman. A woman that will give you children. Children that you will bring up very well. Jamike, gambling is not in our lineage and must not start with you.
Mama, no matter how a leopard is drenched by the rain, it can never lose its spots. Mama, love is something of the heart. Something you cannot joke with. And I have given that love to Franca. Nobody can take it away from it. Nobody. And not this prostitute. You cannot ask me to get married to this fool liar and this prostitute. I am not going to get married to this bunch of a liar.
Jamike, I can't take this from you again. Oh. I can't take this from you. Is it because you could find your way into my heart and now you labeled me a prostitute? Listen, let me tell you. I wish I could subdue this love and get on with my life.
Stupid love, what are you talking about?
Franca, what is it? Is everything all right?
Yeah. What is it? What happened? Please. I'm sorry. Sorry, please forgive me.
What?
See, I promise you, it will not happen again. Never.
Where are the foodstuffs you went to buy?
You see, to God who made me, you see this thing, I will not do it again in my life.
A monkey is a monkey. Whether the key is a padlock or a kodo.
Mama, what is the meaning of that?
The meaning of this is that she has used the money that you asked her to buy foodstuff with to play gambling. Yes, she has gambled with the money. That is the meaning of this.
Franca, what happened?
Taco, the money. Taco!
The devil appeared to me in form of Obadiah and whispered into my ears, "Daughter of God." He come there like say I know Yaram. He talk am again. "Daughter of Zion, have faith in Ogbungwangwa again." Now I can't carry my faith, put inside the money and use it to play game. But I don't know what happened, and they collected all my money. So I now use my transport fare to make this running ticket. See am. But you see this one, This one a sure game. he go enter. Eh? Because now small odd now place. Small odd now make it long like this. So once he enter, that your money, now small change.
Shut up! Shut up! You are a foolish girl. You are just a hopeless, chronic gambler. Look at you, wicked human being. Hopeless and chronic gambler. Hey! Shut up! You just shut up your mouth before I shut it up for you. Because I see you are not using your senses. Look, let me tell you this, girl. If you think you have come to destroy my son, my only son, it will not work for you. Because I am ready to destroy you with my bare hands. Yes!
Before you destroy me, the game go enter.
It's dangerous. Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go go.
Why are you doing this to my friend? All because he loves you and wants the best for you?
Bros, you won't understand. Eh? Naija Bet has collected so much money from my hand. So I can't just forget my money like that. No.
I understand. And it is collecting even more from you. Listen, my friend is willing to refund all the money you lost to Naija Bet. If you're willing to quit it.
Bros, I don't need man money. I can make money on my own. Besides, Naija Bet is the one owing me. And they must vomit what they swallowed. Hey! Now me and them. I go play so then go pursue me.
So you're not even ready to quit?
Not be like that. I go quit. But anywhere or anytime I see sure game, I go still play. See, I need to make money. Plenty money. So I can refund Jamike his money. And get my respect back.
Respect?
Leave matter bros. Na me and Naija Bet then go here win. Then go here win for my hand.
Say no to gambling is a dangerous addiction. Gambling is dangerous. Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go go. Gambling is dangerous.
Mama, where is Kumba Uncle?
I have sent them to where they belong.
Mama, how will you send them away? How? But I told you that I was planning to rehabilitate those people, including Franca. How will you just send them out of my house like that?
Jamike. Hi! Now I am convinced, beyond all reasonable doubt, that you are not well at all. You are not well. You want to rehabilitate a condemned person and get married to her, while you have a wife material, a follow come from heaven under your nose. That will not happen. Not while I am in this house. That will never happen.
Mama Sina, let me tell you. I am going to bring Kumbo and Franca back to my house.
You lie.
Yes, I'm going to bring them back to my house.
Lie.
And do not come anywhere close to us.
It will not happen. It will not happen. Have it in mind that it will not happen. It will not happen in this house. Rubbish. Who the hell do you think you are? I am still your mother. Yes. My dear, calm down. Wait till we begin. All is still well. I am still his mother. Whatever I say he will do. He is my only son. My only child at that. Don't bother yourself. They have gone and they have gone for good. They are not coming back here. Are you hearing me? So calm down. He's my son. He will marry you. I know of you. And I will name you.
Just look at. Just look at how Arsenal caught my banana island. Just look at. Eh? You see this ticket? See, 50 million. 50 million we should come. I for take and buy land for Banana Island. You see this one? 48 million. I for take and build better house. Big duplex for that my Banana Island land. You see this one? Small but mighty. As you see this ticket, so now 24 million. I for take and buy a better car. We go fit that my Banana Island house. Eh? Then this small one, 10 million. I for take and just open shop for inside that same Banana Island. Take and they maintain. You know now. Then this 5 million. I for take and buy clothes. We go fit me as Banana Island babe. If I come out, I go to represent well. Now Asna. Come travel go my village. Go collect class from my own. Come cut the ticket. All of them. Like say, then they celebrate New Year Festival.
Are you cousin?
How?
Are you cousin? If you not add us enough for all your tickets.
Hi, my brother. Which team better pass now? No, tell me. Which team I for put? Na Chelsea? Chelsea where relegation team they beat anyhow for home. I been a Man U. Man U where they always forget their leg for Old Trafford anytime where they won't go play away match. I been a Man City. Those ones no nonsense waka now. Then sabi do person the more you look the less you see. Now Liverpool. Those ones no get messy at all. They don't they cut tickets in peace. Then go first of all pull your liver, come out, drop them, come cut your ticket. So tell me which one, which team better?
I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do.
Hey, I beg, no talk that one. Or let's say you want begin go price coffin this early morning. I beg, listen, just you know fit, just come out as now odd and pay me the remaining. I'm not gonna make noise.
I'm sorry, I wish I could, but it's the rule of the game. If one game cuts, the whole ticket is useless.
Aye!
There's nothing I can do.
Aye!
Well, you can try next time.
You mean
Yes.
You know if you do anything?
No.
Okay, just pay me only one ticket.
When you play again, I will pay you.
Aye! I don't die. My Banana Island dream, oh, I don't die. What in be this now? Eh? My Banana Island don't go. Chai! Aye! Asna! Asna, which kind course I won't cost you now? In fact, the kind course where I deserve, I need to go village, go package and come. Eh? Just. Aye! I don't even understand Asna Wenger pattern anymore. No format, they just play zigzag, they go. Foolish people.
Asina, what is it? Why are you like this? See, you have to calm down. You have to stop crying. My son will come back to his right senses. Oh, please, stop crying. Just calm down, oh?
Mama, I don't know why this is happening to me.
Hey.
I have several suitors begging for my hand in marriage. But I'm sticking to the one I love. But he does not appreciate it.
See, my daughter, that was why I said you should calm down and stop crying. I just told you that he will come back to his senses. See, you see men, that's how they behave. Oh. Go for the no, for not a couple. After some time, you know, see, he's not acting with his eyes open. But very soon, you see that his closed eyes, he will open it. I am here to make sure that eyes will open and he will start seeing. Franca, so I brought you to the city to make life better for you. But you turned around to snatch the man I love.
Wait. Is this the reason you called me out here? Which one is snatching? How can you be talking about snatching when you know everything? You know Jamaica is the one following me around the whole place. You know what he's gonna ask him now? Waiting. Franca, you're heartless. You say, look you. You see, in fact, everything that you said here, I did not even understand anything. Eh? Look at you, calling somebody heartless. In fact, make I tell you, you see how life there? You pushed me out of your house, pursued me out. You thought you were doing me one bad thing. Now God has buttered my bread. You are still the one coming back to yak and open your mouth wide. Eh? Listen, my goal in life is to hammer better money for Naija bet and change my life. Man is the last thing on my mind. You dey hear me so? Now you wey man dey shark. You know they shark me.
Franca, Bemunike is losing. They are losing.
Jesus! Hey! 3 months running ticket what I buy. 3 months running ticket on Naija bet come leave August. Jump September. Go wait for me for October. Now I'm buying Munich. He's losing to relegation team. Ordinary relegation team. You don't carry your bad luck up. You know, say anywhere where you go, now so you go to spoil things, they go. Carry your bad luck, they go. Make I go ginger them. Make I go ginger them. Make I go ginger them. If they see me now, they go score. They go score now.
So, madam, I've heard so much about your rehabilitation center. Are you sure you can rehabilitate her in under 3 months?
I can assure you that. Trust our services, okay? But that is if you can afford it.
See, money is not the problem here. Money is not the problem at all. I love this lady so much. I so much love her, okay? And I know she has a lot of potentials. I'll do anything to get her out of this addiction. Anything you want me to pay, I'm ready to pay.
Then search no more. We are the best. And trust me, we're going to give you the best, okay? You don't need to worry. Our services is perfect.
Yes, I've heard so much about her rehab center, and that is why I'm recommending her to you.
So when do we start?
First thing first, just pay 70% into the company's account, then leave the rest to us. I promise you, we're going to give you the best. And you enjoy your love story, okay? Yes.
That's not a problem. I'll do that. Just text me your account details. Thank you.
I brought good news for you people. Please come. It is business, oh Franca. I didn't come to arrest anybody. Hell. Please come back, come back. You know,
Both times, I know.
Please come back, please. I came here with good news, good business. Please come. No police here. I came here in peace. Please.
Frankie, Lolo. Frankie. The coast is clear. Come, come.
Shaman!
Shaman!
Thank you.
Shaman!
Come on, find inside bush.
They say don't kill you. Make you come out now.
Frankie, come.
No police, I beg go come. Oh.
Frankie, come.
Now, real business. Oh.
They are friends. They are friends.
Nah, leave Shaman. You know, say Shaman, they fear too much.
But, madam.
Franca. Huh?
She's not Franca, she's Frankie Lolo.
Frankie Lolo. You can fear, Sha.
Or if you would, she no fear. She no fear.
Uncle, take it easy.
Okay.
Anyways, here's the lady you are waiting for.
You mean this one?
Madam, I beg. No just address me like that with that kind of look where they your face. I beg. And you, waiting again now. I see the Shobi, I don't pay you all your money. Why you find me come here now? Eh? Ha! Oh.
Are you sure she's the one that made that dress?
Eh? No, she's not.
Uncle, calm down. Sorry, okay. Are you the Miss Franca that I've been looking for?
Are they owe you anything? Eh? Are they owe you? Or maybe now you the insane make you come cut my ticket today?
You know if you do that one.
No. That is not why I'm here. I am the CEO, Bella Court.
Hey, don't
wonder. They don't come. She never introduced herself, finish. Ticket don't cut.
Hey.
Bella Gene.
Bella Court.
I
am a fashion designer. I make so many and beautiful African dresses. And I base in South Africa. Yes. And I am here to make a business deal with you. Please, just give me a moment.
Which business do you have with her?
Explain.
Explain.
Look, calm down, okay? Don't worry. This is a deal and you're going to love this one.
Shaman! Come on for inside bush! Come!
Don't worry, I'm not going to kill her. It's just a business deal.
Come on from that idiot! Come out!
Wait, let's just...
You can hear, Sha. You're supposed to be thanking me now.
Court. Court no be better thing.
Franca. You can see in business there's no permanent friend, no permanent enemy.
Wait first. You see that court? You know pure. Come on. That court go to make your business, you know go to flow. Just leave them. Bella fashion. One.
Jamike, since you have proven to have a heart of stone, you have proven not to have soft spots for me or your mother. I will leave, but don't bother to look for me anytime, any day. God bless you.
Bless you too.
Jamike, ask her to come. Jamike, don't allow this girl to go. Don't allow her to go. Ask her to come back.
Mama, just let her be, okay? Just let her be, let her go. I mean, she made the right decision. Just let her be.
She should go.
She should go.
Fine. But I have made it clear to you that over my dead body will I allow you marry that girl called Franca. Never. It will never happen. Anyway, I have come to stay. Abiago Kwambonama Abiago. I am not leaving this house except you get the right woman as a wife for yourself.
Mama, this is your house. This is your home. I'm not asking you to leave. But there is one thing I will not let you do.
What?
I will not let you choose a wife for me.
I will.
No, Mama.
I will.
Mama, I know what I want.
will.
You won't do it, Mama. Mama, it is my house.
I will do it.
It is my house.
I will do it.
I know what I want. Okay?
You don't know.
I don't know.
You are not thinking
Okay.
well. You don't know.
It is you that will not think well.
Mama, a girl I brought to the city out of my good heart. Franca betrayed me just because I told her I love Jamike.
My daughter, I want you to believe that man is not your God-ordained husband. If he was, even if the most beautiful Mami Water will not snatch him from you.
Mama, how can you snatch and happier? How could Franca betray me in the first place?
It is in their blood. Her mother that I gave my clothes and money went ahead and played Naija bet. Ego, Afrom, Aqua, Afrom. No new.
Mama, You mean Franca's mother also plays Naija bet as well?
Hey! It's a place. Okuchi is a chronic Naija bet gambler. Even if she dies today, I am very, very sure she will rise and gamble with her coffee. I am sure.
Adachara, I hope you bought me bread, eh? Anyway, I prefer the money. I prefer the money because with the money I can double the bread. By doubling the bread, I can get a bakery. You know now.
Mama.
No.
Bread should not be your problem. When your daughter is living with a millionaire in the city. Eh?
What? Wait. Adachara. Ada, emane chara toto. Mana nke bezokwu aburu na ijiri okwu ise ba wa. Wakwa here ma aburu na ijiri okwu we bia. What do you mean? How can you say that my daughter is living with a millionaire in the city? How can you say that? Frank and Wam, and I didn't know. Hey.
Mama, don't tell me that Franca has not opened up to you. That a millionaire is in love with her in the city.
Hey, Mba. Ay. Mba no.
Mama. Don't worry, eh?
But dear.
Hi. Mama. Frankie Metoroya. But don't worry, eh? I will give you her house address in the city so that you go and pay her a surprise visit. Don't worry, Mama. I will give you her address.
Wait. You have to give me that address now. Since what you're telling me is true, you will give me that address now.
I'll give it to you.
I am here looking for just 1,000 naira to combo 10 odds. Mbano. I'm going to say akwara. One man gets Frank akwara. Now give me mercy. See, I have a running ticket. As I'm talking to you now, I have a running ticket. I even have a short odd now. At hand, I have a short odd. A short odd. Waiting. Yes, say akwara. Let me bring biro for you. One man can wait till you biro. Wait, does Frank not know that with 1 million naira, you can combo 5 million? And with the 10 million, you can even combo 20 million. Get see akwara. Say no. Say man get see akwara. I beg.
Dangerous addiction. It's dangerous. Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go. Gambling is dangerous. Over 1.5, 2.5, this one are sure. Gambling is dangerous. Oh, gambling has ruined life. Gambling is dangerous.
Oga. Oga,
you are welcome.
Sean, sir.
Thank you.
Sean, Oga.
Thank you.
Sean, sir.
Thank you.
Oga, are you the owner of this house?
Your head are correct odd. Yes, I am the owner somehow. Yes.
Oga, well done, sir.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
My name is Okuchi. I am the mother of Frank from Ubohia village in Oguloko government, Enugu state, Bongwan. Yes. You know, village address no get number now. You know that kind of thing. Yes. So, thank you very much.
Mama Franca.
Yes.
Hey, you are welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Franca is inside. Yes.
Here you go. Oga.
Yes.
Me, I want to specially thank you for allowing my daughter Franca to live in this beautiful mansion. God will bless you. Thank you.
He will bless you well.
Thank you.
He will bless you more.
Thank you.
God will never fall your hand in anything you do.
Thank you.
If you put your hand in your pocket, it will not reach the bottom.
Amen.
Anything where you do, now straight winning, Oga.
Thank you.
Straight winning.
Thank you.
Any odd way you play, now sure.
Thank you.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
Huh? Go? Who win? Who win? Who win? Hey! Who said yeah?
Don't be go. Ticket don't cut. Sit down.
Go! Go, 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 go! Who score? Who score?
Ticket cut.
Wait, oh. Franca, you don't enter the game. Franca, wait, oh. You don't enter the correct game. How you take enter here? Who score now? Ronaldo miss penalty. How you take enter here? Martin! Hey! Hey! Ronaldo has killed me, oh! Papa! Hey! Oh! But wait first. How you take enter here? Hi! Ne, leave matter for Matthias. Leave talk for talking. You dey hear? May we see wetin go happen here.
Hey! You see wetin you cause?
Eh?
Now you cause am.
Shaman, you caused it.
Make we play say you see Ronaldo.
No, we score. Can you imagine? No.
Why are you blaming me? There is still time. Let us still have some hope.
Everybody should cool down. Cool down. Just chill. Eh? It is not yet over until it is over. Now una sit down and watch this game.
Now me be Naija bet head office. Una go see am now. Ronaldo, you go win.
Remember where you be?
Me? Na correct Igbe I be. Naija bet head office. Where is the person waiting go happen? See Ronaldo. Run am.
Please just let me be. Please, I'm begging you. Open this gate.
You have not said anything.
I've not said anything.
Don't get the car. Let us leave this place. That is what you say. Say you are getting the car. You not get it. Let you be. How can I let you be when you are not
Mama,
doing
what is it now? What is it, Mama? What is it?
Where are you going there? Is that the way to the car? This is the car. Open it and let us go.
Mama, but you saw it, the other car got broke down. What do you expect me to do?
Fine. I believe you.
Fine.
He broke down. Yes. Then get the next one and let us leave. Wherever you are going to, I'm going to follow you.
Okay, Mama.
That's it.
Mama, I am not going anywhere again.
You lie. Dikeh, you lie. I will keep on following you. Yes, I will keep on following you, Dikeh, until you do the right thing. Until you get yourself a wife. A good wife. Not that caterpillar you call a fiancé. Over my dead body, we shall become your wife. Over my dead body.
Mama, haven't you embarrassed me enough today? Haven't you? I'm not finding this thing funny anymore. I'm not.
Exactly. Yes.
So let me be.
It can't be funny. It cannot be funny. When a great tragedy is about to happen in your life, when you take that girl, it cannot be funny. Why will it be funny? As my only son, I cannot allow that disaster to befall you. Yes. Get into the car and let us leave.
Mama, do not push me further than this. Mama, please, I am begging you.
Dikeh.
Do not push me further than this.
Did I hear you say push?
Yes, Mama.
I will continue to push you. I will continue pushing you until you do the right thing.
Mama, what is the right thing? What is the right thing?
Get yourself a good wife. Not that thing, that caterpillar of a girl called Franca.
Mama, she has a name and her name is Franca.
She cannot be your wife. She cannot be your wife, not while I am still alive. Go. Just go. Go inside. I was carrying that bag. Hey, shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Stop greeting my son with that God-forsaken mouth of a chronic gambler. Stop it!
Mama, good evening.
Okay. If you want my evening to be good, go in there, pack your things, and leave my son's house. Yes! That way, my evening will be good.
Franca, how was your day?
It was fine.
And what did you prepare for dinner?
Dinner? Oh. See, I do already on gas. Put fire. Carry pot. Put on top am. As I just want cook. 9-0, Ronaldo just missed penalty. Can't cut my 49,000 fish come ticket.
What do you expect? What do you expect from her? Nothing good. I have been telling you that this girl is an enemy's assignment, but you won't hear. You won't hear, you won't listen.
Franca, so you're trying to tell me that the money I gave to you to buy foodstuff, you used it in playing gamble. You gambled with the money I gave to you.
Not everything, no. Not everything. I actually cooked okra soup.
Oh.
There's no meat inside. But I will buy meat tomorrow and put, even if it's suya.
Oh. I go.
Franca.
Hi, Ojo.
See, Ronaldo still remains the best world footballer in the whole planet. No human being can contest it with him.
Now, which radio station announced that one? BBC.
Hey!
Wait.
Shut up!
Allow me to talk.
Shut up! Let him finish. Have you allowed him to finish what he's saying?
What I am saying.
Allow him to talk.
Yes, thank you. What I am saying is that if you check his leg over, he goes like this, he comes like this.
It is okay.
He left Man U.
You talk too much.
Madrid.
You talk too much.
He made so much money.
I say your talk is too much. Talk little.
Now listen to me. Just watch. Hey. Sorry. See, you when they talk about Ronaldo, how many go swear in those score before?
Messi is a retard. Messi is a retard. Let me tell you one thing. Leg over. Here. Which one of you old men stole my phone? Sir? Sir? Huh? Which one of you old men stole my phone while I was asleep?
Showman.
Which of you?
Showman. Did you steal his phone?
Combo, you swallow scorpion? Maybe it's also.
You thunder fire your mouth. Among the three of us, who looks more like a thief?
That is true. Combo, you look more of a thief. Are you sure it's not? You are not. Where's the phone? Where's the phone?
Can you imagine the old criminals you brought to my house?
Which of you took his phone now?
I swear, I did not see his phone. Talk more of touching it.
My friends did not steal your phone. They are not thieves. In fact, your mother is trying to set us up.
This is impossible. This old man must have stolen my phone to play game. That stupid game they used to play.
They are not thieves.
Search them. They have used my phone to play this their stupid game.
No. They are not thieves. They are not thieves, please.
So where's my phone?
Follow me.
Oh, what is it?
Come and see with your own eyes.
Don't
follow
me.
me.
Coming back.
Follow me.
Franca.
I'll come back.
Look at this. Celtic, straight winning. Masca. Abia. Hey yo, Celtic, straight winning. Yes. CSK Moscow. Home 2 goals. Yes. Atletico Madrid.
Can you now see for yourself how your house has become a psychiatrist? Hey, madam. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma. No cause for alarm. Your father, the owner of this house, knows that I'm here.
Who the hell are you and what are you doing with my phone?
I am Franca's mother. Ne Franca. Yes. She's my mother. Hey, but I did not invite her. Oh. Mama, talk true. Did I invite you? Mbano. I turned down like manna from heaven. Just that. Hey.
Can I have my phone?
Can I have my phone? Buka. See, one day I want to quickly book this game because the first match starts in a few minutes time. So Buka. Mama, why did you take his phone, ma? Hey, Frank Echemwe this time. See, Argentina, Brazil and Colombia. They start their match early before Naija bet office opens. Check on us. No. You mean Naija bet? Give me my phone. Give me the phone. Like mother, like daughter. Come on, give me this phone. Why you come from me?
Can I have my phone?
Give me this phone. Back here, baby.
Dangerous addiction is dangerous. Barca go win, Madrid go lose, Chelsea and Liverpool go. Gambling is dangerous. Over 1.5, 2.5, this one are sure. Gambling is dangerous. Oh, gambling has ruined life. Gambling is dangerous.
I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. Honestly, I didn't even know she was coming. I was very surprised when she arrived yesterday. And you heard it from her mouth. I wasn't the one that invited her.
Frank, I'm not listening to you until that lady leaves this house.
No, she will go. That one is not a problem. She will go. All I want is for you to forgive me. Please now.
Let her go first.
Okay, she will go. That one, we are not debating that one. But your face is not bright now. It's not good at all. Just brighten your face. That's all I want. And look at you are drinking. Drinking is not good for you. At all. Please. I'm begging you. Enugo. No, the drink is not good for you. At all. She's going now. Let's bet. She's going.
The world is not a bed of roses. Oh, hard work pays. Everybody work hard. If you work hard, God will bless you.
I will damage you. Father, I will damage you. Leave me now. Honest, if not because of my ancestors, I would have just killed you now. Kill now! Just told me not to kill you. See this fishbone. Look at this. Look at this fishbone. Leave me alone. The one was one. Leave me alone. One was one. Oh, I will kill you here. Your way. I will kill you here. Your way. Why did you allow me to go on my knees to thank you when you are just an ordinary houseboy in this house? Why? See me see trouble. Did I force you to thank me? See, look. Then you should have told me. I'll kill you.
Madam, for Johnson,
Then you should have told me that you're not the owner of the house. Biago, return my thanks. Get on your knees now and return my thanks. Otherwise, now. If not that you resemble my wife that ran away, I would have killed you here.
Mama, please, you have to start going now. I don't want trouble in this house, Biko.
That is your problem.
Mama, the owner of the house said you should go.
That is his problem.
Mama, please, just pack and go now before you put everybody into trouble. That is our problem. See, I have already played today's game. So you must wait for the game to finish playing before I go. You and who? Mama, you are the one waiting, not me. I did not play the game with you. So you can go and wait anywhere else but this house. Just go, Biko.
Franca, tell your mama make you leave me now.
Mama, leave him now. So you say... You're still talking. That's still talking. I'm telling you here. Look at you. So no, no.
Will you like them to be part of this contract? I mean, would they be of any assistance to you?
Yes, they will. They will.
Okay. The contract I'm offering you is worth $500,000. Yes. So are you assuring me that you'll be able to deliver?
Mother, see, when it comes to fashion design, I am giving you more than 100% assurance. More than.
Okay, so...
Yes, she has scored. Forward. Our 4.5 has entered. Yes, she has scored. Forward. Our 4.5 has entered. Yes.
Hey! Hey! 25,000.
Yes.
25,000 fish come.
Frankie, make we go collect our money for Naija bet. Quick.
Sharp.
No delay. You don't 25,000 be small money.
25,000 naira, don't be small money.
Make we go.
Hey, wait. No vex, eh? Make we quickly rush to Naija bet and collect our 25,000 fish come before they go talk story. You know they say a bird at hand is worth more than two in the bush. So make I go collect the 25 naira where I know. Where them my hand already, before I go come back, make we talk about this one where I never see. So just wait, and they come down. 25
The world is not a bed of roses. Oh, hard work pays, everybody work hard. If you work hard, God will bless your hard work. If you're lazy, he got you at the short skirt.
Have you seen for yourself? Have you seen for yourself what you have turned your house into? You have turned your house into a rehabilitation center for mad people. Hey, Chai. I have said it before, and I will continue saying it. Over my dead body. Over my dead body will I allow you to marry that good-for-nothing caterpillar of a girl. Never!
Mama, please just let me be, okay? Mama, I just pray that someday you get to see what I see in that girl that you can't see.
Hey! I wish you could see, oh my son. I just wish you could see. How can a man, in his complete faculty, get himself entangled with a shameless gambler like Franca? How can? Huh?
Wait, how did it go?
Just calm down, okay? It's a gradual process. And besides, her case is very difficult. Yeah, it's a case of a chronic gambler, okay? But I assure you, I am going to do everything. I'm going to do everything to make sure that that love story works, okay?
I trust you.
One step at a time.
Let me tell you what people are just doing. Okay, for Millie. Just keep on pouring water on the stone. You see this? It will not work. Yes! It will not work. And as for your information, like I said before, I have come to stay. I am not going anywhere until you get yourself a good woman as a wife. Rubbish. Ndiala.
So you're giving me hope, right?
Just calm down, okay? Believe in me. I'm going to do everything possible to fix this.
Oh, please, I so much believe in you, sir. I'm just tired about the whole thing. I'm really fed up. Even my mom is not even helping matters. I just wish she could just let that thing be, please. Just do something for me, okay? Kachi, you assured me that woman was going to do the job. You assured me that this lady was going to do something, and this over 2 weeks. Nothing has been done. Rather, Franca is getting worse by the day. Nothing.
My brother, I will advise you forget that girl. Yes! You have to forget her.
Kachi, no, don't tell me to forget about her. Okay? Don't tell me to forget about her. That girl will be a major boost to my own business, to my business empire. I'm telling you. So don't tell me to quit or not to do anything. I'm going to try my best and make sure that I get her out of this girl. I don't know where it came into her life. I don't know how she started doing this Naija bet of a thing. I truly don't know.
Now listen, you can force the horse to the river, but you can't force the horse to drink from it. Help yourself, my friend.
No, I'm not ready to help myself now. If I get married to Franca, okay? I mean, I have a lot to gain. A lot. That girl has potentials. So I will do anything and everything to make sure I see to the end of this thing.
Then count me out.
I'll count you out.
Count me out.
I won't leave you because you see those sleeps. She will quit playing them.
Count me out. I'm tired.
Actually, no, see, there's something I want you to understand. If I get married to this girl, okay, there's a lot for me to gain. All right? So I am going to see to the end of this thing. I want you to understand that. I'll see to the end of this thing.
The contract is worth $100,000. $100,000 on the condition that you'll be making 20 different designs every month for 6 months.
Why not? Eh? Hey, money is too much, oh. Hey, I will do it by all means. I will do it.
But there is a problem.
Hi, bata, oh, chai, monna mapuzelo no maka. Eh? Monna don't come again. Oh, what is the but now?
Look, this company that is contracting you, they believe that you're going to gamble with the money. So they won't be paying you the upfront of $30,000. But not to worry. I'm going to provide you with all the materials in it and all the equipment necessary to do this job.
Then no problem now. Leave matter, I will do the job. Hey, 100,000 it should come. When are we starting?
What will happen to your friends? What about them?
They will do the job with me. You see those men? They are too much. Very strong men. They have sense. They can think out styles. And they are very diligent to work. As you see them, very disciplined. So, we'll do the job together, no problem.
Okay, fine. But...
Hi. But also...
Yes. If you must work with them, then none of you will be allowed to step out of this house.
Yes. You see?
And that's not all. No browsing of phones or pressing a computer. Yes. Or even gambling or doing another thing. You have to focus and do this project.
No browsing.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it. $100,000. I mean, you can do it just for 6 months.
How will I get code now? Code.
$100,000.
Michigan in dollars. Nah, but good. For just 6 months. Eh?
6 months.
By then they would have started playing Champions League. And Premier League still there far safe. Okay, I go do it.
Deal?
Deal.
Okay, congratulations.
Sure deal. This one, now go 2.5. No shake.
$100,000.
My special thanks and gratitude goes to the man who can go 1,000,000 miles under the ocean just for me. My wonderful man, my husband, Mr. Jamike Joseph. Thank you. Thank you so much. I also want to thank my very good friend, Martina, because she was the one who showed me the way to the city. These people discovered my potentials, even when my talent was deep asleep. I also want to thank the CEO of Bella Rehabilitation Center. Thank you so much for bringing light into my darkness. Now, permit me to thank my special friends here, Shawman, Ose, and Combo. They were with me in darkness, and together we went through hell. So today, I decided to give each and every one of them $50,000 each from my prize money to say thank you and to show my appreciation for standing with me through it. And together we say, no to gambling.
The world is not a bed of roses, oh. Hard work pays, everybody work hard. If you work hard, God will bless your hard work. If you're lazy, you got your the shortcut.